Kids. Today we will learn color name, English alphabet, shape name and counting numbers. At first, say with me color name: yellow, sky blue, orange, light green, brown. Write with me A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10. Say with me shape name: circle. Draw with me a circle. Again say with me the name of shape: circle. Say with me shape name: square. Draw with me a square. Again say with me the name of shape: square. Say with me shape name: rectangle. Draw with me a rectangle. Say with me the name of shape: triangle. Draw with me a triangle. Say with me the name of shape: oval. Draw with me oval. Again say with me oval. Say with me the name of shape: heart. Again say with me heart. Again say with me shape name: circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval, heart shape. Subscribe for more video.